The fire recovery efforts are ramping up, and officials want to do it fast. Here's some news you can use. Mayor Karen Bass signed an executive order that she says will help Angelenos rebuild quickly. This means faster debris removal in all those communities and streamlining the permit process for rebuilding structures. The order really focuses on rebuilding the same size and space, so like a home would go where a home goes, not an apartment building. The main point is to get people back into housing and remove red tape, she said. The order includes creating a task force to look into mudslides and allowing owners to build a tiny house where their home once was. But we know there is so much more that families have to do before they start thinking about rebuilding. We have some resources on our website. Stay safe, LA.